welcome back to my channel. This is Angel and Gabriel here. It's wash day and it's time for us to give Gabriel's hair a good wash. It's full of dust and dirt from being out here in Mexicali in Mexico. And don't mind Gabriel's cut here. He fell and ate it and now he has a big old cut on his nose. So here we are in Mexicali. It's time to wash Gabriel's hair. We have his bucket here filled up with water. We're gonna give him a bath and wash his hair outside so he can play and wash his curls, his dusty, crusty curls outside, and do a nice, good deep conditioning. And then today we are going to be using the Shea Moisture. This is the travel size Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner and Shampoo. All right, so we were able to find this at Walmart. This is the mini travel size containers that they usually always have. It's hard for me to find travel size hair products for Gabriel, but this one seems to be something that they always have, so we grabbed it to give it another try. And we did get the deep conditioner as well. So we'll be washing and conditioning and deep conditioning Gabriel's hair with Shea Moisture, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, Strengthen and Restore Shampoo and Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. So if you're interested in that and you want to see how Gabriel's hair comes out today with those beautiful curls, stay tuned and let's just get into it. All right, full disclosure, Gabriel is not naked. He is in swim shorts, basketball shorts. For this video, he's a boy, so it should be okay unless I'm on Facebook. But anyway, we're gonna get his hair nice and wet, nice and soaked so it can lather up really well when we put the shampoo in. We're using the Shea Moisture, Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This shampoo lathers up really well. It gets it very sudsy. I really like the consistency here. As you can see, it was really, really bubbly, and I did put a generous amount today because Gabriel's hair is super dusty and crusty from playing out here in Mexico. Everything's dusty. Gabriel plays hard and he gets dirty and his hair was way overdue, so we need to give it a good scrub. Now we're gonna go in with the regular conditioner, lathering up really nice, just going from one side to another, just finger detangling as I go. And let me tell you, this conditioner had a lot of slip to it. It was really slippery, really smooth. It was really easy to like just run my fingers through it as I finger detangled and applied it to his hair. Now I did not apply this to the scalp. I just did generously around the ends and just kind of avoided doing the scalp area because that's what we're going to do when we do condition. That seems to work for us. When I condition, I always do it kind of mid to the end, and I do the same thing with my hair. It's just our hair type. I don't like to overdo it with the conditioner because when I go into deep condition, I'm really going to go from root to end and really let it marinate. So I just wash and condition like normal and avoid the roots until I get to the deep condition. It seems to work for us. It may not work for you, but for his curls, it seems to do great. Now we're gonna go ahead and pin this up and put it in a bun and let it sit for a little bit. Well, Gabriel is letting that marinate in his bun for a minute. We're gonna take the Shea Moisture deep conditioner, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and pour it into our travel size Brogio container. Because I had already opened it and I was probably not going to use the whole thing on Gabriel's hair. I usually save these little travel size containers from Brogio or Cantu or whatever, and I keep the containers and just wash them out and reuse them. So what I'm going to do is pour the Jamaican Black Castor Oil deep conditioner into that container, and I'm going to save it in there for the next deep conditioning as well. Okay, so now it's time to take Gabriel's hair out. I'm going to go ahead and part it and do one side first, and I'm going to add some aloe vera gel prior to doing the deep condition. This was leftover aloe vera gel that I had put aside and had left over from my shampoo and conditioner. What I do is I gut it, I keep the aloe gel, and I put it in my regular shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to lather that into Gabriel's hair prior to putting the deep conditioner in his hair today. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to do 2 twist outs instead of doing twist outs all over his hair like I usually do. So I'm just going to do 2 on each side. So I'm going to do 1 in the front and 1 in the back. And what we're doing is just twisting and locking in that moisture by doing these simple twists in his hair, and then finger twirling the end of his hair, the end curls, and putting it up and doing the other side. I wanted to give you a better view of how I twisted up his hair for those of you not followed me, this is what I normally do with Gabriel's hair to lock in that moisture and train his curls. Once we are all done putting in the deep conditioner, we're going to cap it, wet plop, and just let it sit and marinate under that cap. While we do that, I'm going to go ahead and let Gabriel do his lesson for today since we do homeschool. Once that has went by, we'll be trying the bowl method, which we have not tried. This was the first. Gabriel was kind of excited not to get all wet and wash his hair in the shower, so we gave it a try, but it was kind of hard. It was kind of funny though. We were both laughing. So it did come out really well. Like, it did work pretty good. It didn't like totally strip out and take out all the conditioner. It left just the right amount in. I kind of like this method. It was easier on Gabriel as well. So now we're going to go in with the rose water that I had made in my last video, and I'm just going to refresh his hair and just spray it all over before it air dries. You can already tell it's trying to dry already. These results overall came out amazing. I love the way his hair felt. I liked the conditioner and the shampoo worked together with the deep conditioner. It was super easy and convenient. And let me know if you guys like these results. I really liked them. I give Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil AA+. It was bomb. These results are good. They're fluffy. It was easy to separate these curls, even dry. I did not put any other products in his hair after this. We just simply air dried. Not even gonna lie, Gabriel's hair is going right back in a pony or in a pineapple because he's gonna go off and play, and I do not want it to get super dusty because it will. So for the sake of this video, I just wanted you guys to see how good the results came out before I put it back up. Thank you everyone for following along on our curly hair journey with Gabriel. As a straight hair mom and a curly hair baby, it has been a journey, and I can't thank you all enough for following and watching these videos. If you did like this video and you got something out of it, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos just like this one. Until we meet again, bye.